Welcome to this installation and recommendation capsule for the unpacking and inspection of the components that make up the packaging of an Invotech compressor. In this guide, we will cover two types of Invotech compressors: the model with the 210 suffix and the model with the 100 suffix. The model with the 100 suffix includes an accessory kit containing 4 mounting rubber pads and guide tubes. The 210 suffix indicates that the compressor is ready for parallel applications, high temperature, freezing, or tandem mounting in the YH family. When you receive the compressor and take it out of the box, you will find a bag with the accessory kit inside the packaging. The kit includes plastic connection bushings for running cables and preventing moisture from entering the electrical connection box, as well as washers and mounting screws for different types of assemblies. For the assembly, you will find 4 rubber pads and 4 guide tubes. Insert these components by slightly tilting the compressor and pressing them in. It is important not to lay the compressor flat to prevent the oil from shifting into the suction chamber. In tandem-mounted compressors, the oil level may vary. By following these steps and recommendations, you can ensure optimal installation and operation of your Invotech compressors. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.